How to fix iPhone's camera showing black screen. So if you're using the iPhone's camera app and it is showing black screen for any sort of reason, it's not working, then there could be various underlying issues for it. First of all, you want to open up settings, then you want to go to the option privacy and security, then under it look for the option called camera, and it could be that you might have disabled camera access, so make sure to enable camera access from here. Now what you also want to do is come back and go to the option called general, then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings to reset all of the settings that is within your device. You can also try to check for a software update and update your iPhone to the latest version, and also restart your iPhone to see if that helps you solve the problem as well. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.